Hey guys, I hope this new year has started great for you. I recently moved to a new house and I'm still setting up my new studio. One thing I want to do this year is create more content from my YouTube channel, and today I decided to create a coaster with resin and alcohol inks. Hope you can learn something from this video and hope you like it too. For this project you'll need resin, a torch, and alcohol inks in the colors of your choice. You're also going to need measuring cups and something to stir the resin with. Now, not all resins have the same mixing ratios, so mix according to the instructions. Mine is equal parts of resin and hardener. You want to mix your resin slowly for about 3 minutes or until completely combined. I bought this silicone mold from Michael's from the brand Celebrated, but I didn't notice it has a satin finish, meaning that the piece will not be shiny once it cures. But don't worry, I'll show you how to fix that later in the video. Add the resin to your mold and use the torch to remove the bubbles. Start adding your alcohol inks directly to the resin. Now it is very important to use the white ink because it is more dense and it will push the other colors down, creating that beautiful effect. I fast forward this process for you, so enjoy. After 24 hours, your piece is supposed to be ready to take out of the mold. I really like this frosted look, but for the purpose of this video, I will show you how to glaze this piece to make it shiny. You can glaze your piece with any glaze. This time I'm using Sculpey gloss glaze. Now, if you want your piece to be extra shiny and have no brush strokes at all, you can add a layer of resin on top. Here I'm using a very dirty silicone doming tray, so if the resin flows to the sides, it will get in the tray and not my desk. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please hit the thumbs up to let me know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so you don't miss a thing. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!